Good. Let's go. Downtown LA. It's a pretty neat place. Good morning. Day 2. A little misty, but it's clearing. Yeah, that hotel's beautiful. So last night we ate at the Craft House. Pretty quiet, but really nice food, really good food. It's right next door. It's right here. So highly recommend that. Have some breakfast before we make our way down to Los Angeles. So today's plan of action is we are going to be stopping off at Mulholland Harley Davidson, going to see the boys at 2lanelife and their new digs. Haven't seen them for about 18 months, so it'd be nice to see what they got going on there. And from there we're going to go to Laidlaws, and then we're going to make our way to downtown Los Angeles, where we're going to meet some friends for dinner and go to the Bike Shed. So I've always wanted to go to the Bike Shed. There's only 2, one in London, one in LA. Ironically, the one closest to me is in LA, so so we're gonna go check it out. But I want to come back to Solvang and spend a weekend. It's a beautiful little town, really pretty. So we came to the Solvang restaurant to have some what is it? Able skeevers, which is pancakes with jam, basically. And it's a traditional treat, I guess, in Denmark, or Solvang, but this is it. That's good. What you got, babe?
Oh.
Being as adventurous as ever. Good.
How is it?
Good.
What's your favorite pastry? Not pastry. We want to take a gift back to Southern California. We want something that's portable, but yet something that's...
When are you going to see them? Are you going
In about
today?
2.5, 3 hours.
So this right here is our most popular one. It's our almond butter ring. That's what we're known for.
Okay.
It's almond paste and custard. If you want
Is that like a Danish recipe?
Very Danish.
Really? Okay.
Yeah. So, and then a lot of people forget this is the first Danish butter cookie that was ever made here in town. And their assortment of butter cookies.
Oh, maybe we should do that.
And I always think it looks pretty packaged and all that.
Yeah.
But that's what I would recommend.
Okay.
Should we just
Then-
grab one of these?
Yeah, let's get one of those and maybe get a pie as well. Alright, Solvang, we had a great time. We'll definitely be coming back. So now we're going to make our way down to Mulholland Harley Davidson, followed by the 2lanelife guys, and then Laidlaws. From here we're going to take 154 to the 101. Let's go.
I woke up in a king-size bed. Tick of the clock, a stranger to my left. The neighbors gave me a side eye, like I was blind. Oh yeah. 9 to 5 was my dad's advice. Don't think twice, I want the luxury life. My beauty can lose it, I'll use it. I'll take what I want. Oh yeah. A whole lot of ticket, but not enough time. A whole lot of work for a trophy wife like me. Oh. So traffic caused me stress. Show no panic, I'm just born in a dress. And I know now I'm older, I'm done.
So quick stop at Mulholland Harley Davidson under new ownership. Bought a couple of shirts, checked it out. Staff seem really nice, seem really happy it's under new ownership. Off to 2lanelife. Let's go see Josh, Galen and Lance. So we made it to 2lanelife, went in, saw Galen, Josh, Lance, got a picture, bought some stuff. Their new office is really nice. If you get a chance, definitely go check it out, or go to their little open house on the 4th of next month, I think it is, starting at noon. And now we're on our way to Laidlaws, or maybe In and Out on the way. Time for In and Out, just down the road from Laidlaws. Gonna eat and then go check out Laidlaws. Looks so good. Been dying for it. Laidlaws Harley Davidson. We just drove by the original In and Out as well. Unfortunately, it was closed today. I think it's open Thursday to Sunday. But it's just like a little 10 by 10 little box. But it's kind of cool. I'll come back next time, definitely on a Thursday to Sunday, and check it out. But this is Laidlaws. So I think while I'm here, I'm going to get my tires checked. But I'm just going to go and check out the store. Just pulled up to the Hilton Doubletree at Hilton, downtown LA. Just going to check in and get to our room. Show the room real quick. Nice bathroom. They kind of messed up on our booking, so we got a corner room on the 11th floor. Nice view of the downtown. So we're about a mile away from Bike Shed Moto, which is where we're going for dinner tonight with some friends. Heading to the Bike Shed Moto, meet some friends, downtown LA. Bike Shed Motor Company. There's just two of them, one in Los Angeles, one in London. We're here at the one in LA, waiting for our friends. It's a pretty neat place. Go check out some of these bikes. like our friends just showed up, so I'm gonna go greet them. So what can I say about the Bike Shed Moto? Gotta say I was really impressed. When our friends showed up, we just went, sat down, ordered our food. The Bike Shed burger was what was recommended, and we had that and a chicken burger. What stood out to me as well as the burger was the tiramisu. If you like tiramisu, it's really good at the Bike Shed. So we wanted to do a complete tour of the Bike Shed after we ate. We didn't ask what time things like the barber shop, the tattoo, and the gift store, what time they closed. But by the time we were done eating and everything, it was after 9 o'clock, and I guess everything was closed, so we couldn't actually go in and tour the gift store or the barbers or the tattoo parlor. But it's a really neat little place to go, especially as it's bike orientated. It makes it especially interesting. But even if you're not into motorcycles, it's a really nice place to go in the industrial artsy area of downtown LA. Highly recommend it if you're in the vicinity. The food is good. The price ain't bad either. But give it a shot if you're there. We're definitely going to be going again. So that's a wrap for day 2. Had a great time riding down for Solvang to 2lanelife and visit Matt Laidlaw and his store, and obviously going to the Bike Shed. That was one of my primary goals on this trip. Had a great time there. But in the meantime, there's going to be one more part of this trip coming. But please like, subscribe, comment. Really appreciate if you would do that. It supports the channel. And we'll see you on part 3.